Very few people that I've ever met were born wanting to be real estate agents. And that usually means everyone in real estate has come from somewhere. It's a real bonus for you, the consumer, when your real estate agent has come from somewhere that brings added value to the real estate transaction. Got a friend of mine, Shannon Scott from Watson Realty, who prior to her great success in real estate had a tremendous long career in the insurance business that she brings to the party to assure not only do you end up in the right home, but you know right where you need to be so you're protected insurance-wise. Shannon, welcome to the show.
Thank you. I appreciate it. I'm excited to be here.
You've spent how many years in the insurance business?
20.
20 years.
Yep.
I'm going to share something with you, and if you agree with me, say so and why. And if you don't agree with me, say so and why. Would that be okay?
Absolutely.
So 35,000 home inspections, 35,000 homes. We recommend to every single one of those home buyers that they have flood insurance. Mm-hmm. And I have people tell me, my real estate agent said I'm not in a flood zone. And then I'd say, everyone is in a flood zone. The only difference is which zone it is.
That's right.
Is your brain the same place my brain is, that everyone, regardless of mandatory or not, should have flood insurance?
I tell everyone, if you live in Florida, you're in a flood zone.
Yeah, that's what FEMA says too.
That's what my spiel is. I tell them, you live in Florida, you're in a flood zone, you should get it, it's cheap enough.
I have more customers than I'd like to admit who we recommended flood insurance to, and their real estate agent said it's not mandatory, you don't need it, who lost their home. Mm-hmm. We've been doing this 25 years. We've had, 7 hurricane events at various levels.
Right.
But most notably, Matthew and Irma, we had dozens of our past customers whose homes were flooded that took bogus advice and didn't have flood insurance, and in most cases, ended up losing the home.
That's right. That would never come from me.
So get flood insurance.
Get flood insurance.
Whether you're buying or you're already there, it's
That's
just
right.
such a peace of mind to know you don't have that position. What other great tip from your real estate in your real estate business that you've been able to bring that insurance experience in to make home buying better for the person?
The biggest thing is, when people lose family members and things like that, and they lose loved ones, they're not sure how to, whether they need to go through probate or they need to. So I kind of can bring that in and, give them some experience on and tips on what they need to do. The other thing too is when you have a power of attorney that dies with the person. So there's a lot of things that people don't know about that I can help them with. So I feel like I can offer.
You bring up a wonderful point. Your experience having been in insurance and been the person involved in paying out death benefits exposed you to fantastic amount of knowledge and, okay, grandma just passed away. What about the house?
Yep.
What about these other assets? And many people who are buying or selling are buying and selling from a place of personal challenge.
That's right.
There's been a death. There's been some other, actually an insurance event.
That's right.
That led to the need to buy or sell, and you've got that experience.
Yep.
That's excellent.
Yep. It's really, an honor to be able to tell them, exactly what they need to do to get it done, because a lot of people don't know. They think, oh, I have power of attorney, everything's going to be fine. I'm like, no. That died with your family member.
Yeah, people don't
unfortunately.
realize power of attorney dies with the person
That's
who
right.
passed.
So now it has a whole different process that it has to go
So
through.
you've really lived decades through your insurance career
That's
inside
right.
probate.
Yeah.
And real estate was just one piece of that.
That's right.
And now you're concentrating over these last few years solely on the real estate end of it. That's fantastic. Shannon, for people who may be in a challenging real estate situation, who just want to have that conversation about what to do or what the choices are, what some of the words mean, what's the best way to get a hold of you?
They can get a hold of me through my website. It's Shannon Scott at WatsonRealtyCorp.com. They can give me a call on my cell phone. It's 904-520-8128. They can text me. I'm up all hours of the night. So
I encourage you to get more rest.
Yes. Well, real estate's 24/7. So I'm working on vacation. So
Well, thank you for sharing. This is a really important
no problem.
place
I'm
in real
excited to
estate
be
not
here.
many people think about, and even fewer have expertise.
That's right.
I want to thank Shannon for being with us. Sometimes the real estate is just a tremendous challenge. It's almost an albatross. And to get that albatross from around your neck, you need specialty expertise. Thankfully, Shannon has that to offer you.